Hi, I'm Elise Ring, Vice President of Marketing, and I also serve on CBT's leadership team. I'm here to share information on the marketing department and how we integrate into CBT's business. The marketing team manages CBT's brand identity through every touch point. At the core, we do this by driving strategic communication to the market, showing and proving the company's unique value proposition, and how CBT can, simply put, improve our customers' lives. Some of the specific ways we help grow the business is through customer insights and business intelligence. We manage market research, data mining, voice of the customer surveys, and other tactics while leveraging various digital tools and platforms to build these insights. Also through content and creative development, which is any copy or visual content creation like photography or videos, and the graphic design that makes up all of our branded materials. This is what you see on everything from our website to LinkedIn advertisements, print and digital magazines, sales collateral, and all the way down to the signage you may see posted around our buildings. This work is then leveraged to create holistic marketing campaigns that educate and drive lead generation, new customer acquisition, and continued engagement with existing customers. These campaigns come to life in many ways, like as a podcast or customer-facing event, a webinar or white paper, through pretty much every communication channel we have available. The marketing team works closely with sales and IT to ensure we are aligned and in lockstep. Although capturing everything the team does in one place is impossible, I hope this gives you a solid overview of how marketing drives growth and customer value for CBT. Thank you and welcome to CBT.